Good morning. Race number 5, the Big Mack Triathlon in Burlington. A race I have not done before. Normal sprint distances, 750 swim, a 14.5 mile bike, and a 5K run. The taper week has been very stressful, but we will see how race day goes. So the race, I ended up on the podium.
Male 60 to 64, third place Jay Capers, second place Tad Wilson, and first place Joel Maycock.
My swim felt long. I think I had a 6th fastest swim for age group, so a little slower than I like. The bike was hillier than I expected.
Woo! All right.
I did average 19 in a little bit, which put me 3rd in age group for speed. Then the run, I didn't read the race description at all apparently. The run was all trail run. Did not expect that. Nice thing it was shaded. I finished that with a 11-minute mile pace. But overall I had 3rd age group, so I'll take that podium finish and prepare for the next triathlon.